Dear students, today we will learn about constituencies and MLAs. This is our today's lesson. As you know, we have a country, and for the sake of administrative purposes and many other purposes, a country is divided into many units. For example, a country is divided into many states, and states are further divided into districts. And in order to minimize the task of administration, districts are further divided into tehsils, then zones, then blocks, and at last into villages. Similarly, a state is divided into many parts for the purposes of election preparedness, maintenance, etc. This is done on the basis of population. A constituency is made on the basis of population of that area, and these parts are known as constituencies. Take the example of Delhi Assembly constituencies. This map shows the division of Delhi into different districts. This division is made for administrative purposes. In this map, you see different parts represented by digits, which shows the division on the basis of constituencies. Now there is question rises, who is the head of the constituency and how he is elected? Let me explain this. Each country, each constituency is represented by a public representative, which is elected by general public during election. Each country has one representative, and the representative is chosen by public themselves. At the time of election, all the people collectively cast their votes and choose a person from many candidates. All the persons, including male and female who have attained the age of 18 years can cast their vote to elect their representative. All the persons, all the persons mean whether they are male, whether they are female, whether they are black, whether they are white, whether they are poor, whether they are rich, whether they are physically weak or strong, or they belong to one religion or the other, they belong to one race or the other, can equally cast vote. But the only condition is that they must have attained the age of 18 years. A person who gets maximum number of votes is declared as successful. For becoming a representative, many people come in election as candidate, but only person get representation who get maximum number of votes. This candidate is known as MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. This candidate who wins the election is called the Member of Legislative Assembly. MLA. MLA is the short form, which means Member of Legislative Assembly. This is the picture of an MLA. An MLA may be a member of a political party like Congress, BJP, AAP, NC, extras, or an independent candidate. As you know, there are different political parties. Before election, each political party give a ticket to a candidate to contest election in a particular area. So an MLA may be a member of a political parties. There are many political parties such as Congress, BJP, Janata Dal, AAP, NC, JDU, BJP, PDP, etc. Or if a person likes that he will contest independently, he can do so. There is no need to join a political party then. I think you have enjoyed lesson. I will come with new lesson for you. Thank you.